Welcome back, my dear students. So in the last lecture, we defined this constant right here. All right, so this ds is gonna be our forward slash or backslash, right? Depending on what system we are. So, and I also showed you that we could use the magic constant here called dir to have the to show the directory in which we are echoing from, right? So now let's go ahead and define. Before we define something else, let's go ahead and create two folders here, a couple folders in resources. So I'm going to right click and create a new folder, and I'm going to call this folder templates. All right, beautiful. So inside templates, I'm also going to create two more folders. I'm going to call this front and back folder. Front, that's the first folder right there, and the second is going to be back. All right, so what are we going to be saving in this folder is includes our header, footer, and all that for our back administration area right here in the back folder. And in the front, we're going to be saving our includes for our front end for our e-commerce site. All right, I know this might be a little long, but we want to keep things organized. All right, perfect. So let's go ahead and define a path for templates here. So we're going to be using the same function right here. As a matter of fact, I'm going to copy this and paste it right here. All right, we want to make sure that it's not defined. So we're going to say template back. Let's do the back. Actually, let's do the front first. All right. Then we put it right here. All right, and we are going to be using a string right here. All right, so first thing that we need to do here is concatenate this. All right, so we're gonna use the dot notation here. We're gonna say ds. We're gonna concatenate it with the folder templates and back. All right, right here. All right, perfect. Before we concatenate that, we need to also concatenate here, and we got to put this comma here. We got to make sure that this is going to the root. All right, so the root is going to be our magic, all right, constant right here. All right, so let's see how this looks right now. Let's go ahead and echo this out. Templates, template front, and let's look at it right here. Perfect. Look at that. All right, so this is going to be all the way to the back folder. This is going to be, actually, that's for the front. I'm sorry. We need to make sure that this is for the front. There we go. All right, remember that this ds is a forward slash in Linux. All right, so now we got to do the same thing for the back. All right, so we'll go here. You see how easy this can become every time we want to refer to this folder, front and back. All right, we just use the template front or template back. All right, make sure that this one is changed and that this one is changed right here. All right, perfect. All right, beautiful. All right, so we're gonna leave it like this in this lecture here. I'm gonna make this lectures very short, so that way you guys have time to do other things. I know you guys are really busy. On the next lecture, we're going to be defining our database information here in config, so that way we can always have that information here separate from our other files in our e-commerce site. So I'll see you in the next lecture. Thank you so much. Take care.